Welcome to the viewers. There is a problem given to us. Based on this problem, we are supposed to identify the different expenses from the given problem. Let's see the problem. A manufacturer has shown an amount of 19,310 rupees in his books as establishment, which really include the following expenses: interest on debentures 1200 rupees, agents commission 6750, warehouse wages 1800 rupees, warehouse repairs 1500 rupees, lighting of office 70 rupees, office salaries 1130, director's remuneration 1400 rupees, traveling expenses of salesman 1760 1760 rupees, rent rates and insurance of warehouse 310 rupees, rent rates and insurance of office 230 rupees, lighting of warehouse 270, printing and stationery 1500 rupees, trade magazines 70 rupees, donations 150 rupees, bank charges 100 rupees, cash discount allowed 770 rupees, bad debts 300 rupees. From the above information, prepare a statement showing in separate total selling expenses, administrative expenses, distribution expenses. Last one, expenses which you would exclude from costs. అంటే ఇచ్చినటువంటి సమాచారాన్ని ఆధారంగా చేసుకొని మనము సెల్లింగ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ని, అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ని, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ని, ఏ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఏ కాస్ట్ మనం ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయము కాస్ట్ షీట్ లో, వాటిని సెపరేట్ గా చూపమని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఫస్ట్ వి విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఏ సెల్లింగ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్. Selling expenses. For selling expenses, we need to check the expenses which are relating to sales, that is agent commission, traveling expenses of salesman, and bad debts. These are the expenses relating to sales. Agent's commission, where is agent commission? This is the agent commission. And then traveling expenses of salesman, so this is the traveling expenses of salesman. Then bad debts. Why bad debts relating to salesman selling expenses? Because the reason is salesperson sold the goods on credit basis, due to that bad debts have incurred. So the bad debts also comes under selling expenses. Now we will start with the agent's commission. Agent's commission, that is 6750 rupees. Next is traveling expenses of salesman, traveling expenses of salesman, traveling expenses of salesman 1760 rupees. And then bad debts. Bad debts is going to be 300 rupees. So 0, 1, 10, 11, 17, 1, 8, 8,700, 8,700, 10, 18. This is 18. 8,810 rupees is going to be our selling expenses. Next one is, after selling expenses, we need to find out the administrative expenses. B. administrative expenses. Under administrative expenses, what are the expenses will come? Number one, office salaries. Where is the office salaries? Office and administrative expenses. Office salaries. Yeah, here office salaries. Office salaries. Office salaries. Office salaries. How much is office salaries? 1,130 rupees. After office salaries, again relating to anything office. Office lighting. Lighting of office. Here, there, on there only. Office lighting. Office lighting, how much? 70 rupees. After office lighting, again directors remuneration. Directors remuneration, how much? 1400. 1400 rupees. Directors remuneration. Directors remuneration. Directors remuneration 1400. After directors remuneration, anything which is relating to office. Yeah, here rent, rates and insurance of office. Rent, rates, and issuance of office. Printing and stationery, trade magazines. These three are comes under office and administrative expenses. Now rent, rates and insurance. Rent, rates and insurance office, 230 rupees. Then printing and stationery, printing and stationery, how much? 1500 rupees. After printing and stationery, trade magazines. Trade magazines, how much? 70 rupees. Is anything which is relating to office and administrative expenses, it is to be recorded under office and administrative expenses. Apart from that, nothing is left over relating to office and administrative expenses. Now we have to add all the expenses of office and administrative expenses. 0, 7, 10, 17 plus 3, 20, 2, 7, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4,400 rupees office and administrative expenses. Next point is distribution expenses. See, distribution expenses. Distribution expenses. We need to identify the distribution expenses. Under distribution expenses, warehousing wages, warehousing wages, warehousing wages, warehousing wages, it is 1800 rupees. Warehousing wages 1800 rupees. And then warehouse repairs, warehouse repairs, warehouse repairs 1500 rupees. Rent rates issuance of warehouse, rates, insurance of warehouse 310 rupees. Next one is lighting of warehouse, lighting of warehouse, lighting of warehouse 270 rupees. When we are doing cost sheet, this distribution expense is also included into the selling. So only one item in the cost sheet, that is selling and distribution expenses, whereas in the given problem, selling expenses is separate and distribution expenses is separate. That is the reason why we are doing it separately. But whereas when we are preparing cost sheet, we have to show it put together, that is selling and distribution expenses. Now we have to add the expenses of distribution 0, 8, 5, 10, 18, 1, 3880 rupees distribution expenses. After finding the distribution expenses, now we need to identify the expenses which do not which you would exclude from the cost sheet. The cost which are not shown in the cost sheet has to be shown separately. Now what are the items are there in the given problem which are not going to included in the cost sheet? We have discussed the cost sheet elaborately, and in the cost sheet some of the things which we have not come across, that items are included in this problem, that is to be identified and wrote in the separately. Now start with the donations, items not included in cost sheet. Last point, items not included, items not included in cost sheet, items not included in cost sheet. Donations, first one, donations are shown in only financial accounts. How much is the donations? Donation is 150 rupees. Donations is 150 rupees. Cash discount allowed, cash discount allowed is 770 rupees. Cash discount allowed is 770 rupees. Any other items which are not going to be included into the cost sheet? Bank charges, bank charges are also not included into the cost sheet. Bank charges, how much is given bank charges? The bank charges is 100 rupees. After bank charges, cash discount allowed, cash discount allowed is already written. And any other item? Interest on debentures. It is given in the problem somewhere. Interest on debentures, the first item itself, 1200 rupees. Interest on debentures. Interest on debentures, 1200 rupees. 0, 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1. It becomes 2, 2000. 2220 rupees are not going to be included into the cost sheet. These 4 items, donations, cash discount allowed, bank charges, interest on debentures, are shown in only in financial accounting but not in cost account, that is cost sheet. Like this, we have to identify the all items where it is going to be recorded, in which item, in which component it is to be recorded. Like that, first the student is able to identify different costs which are going to be shown in a specific component. So after able to position to find the cost which is relating to direct material or indirect material, direct labor, indirect labor, after all having good idea about this, we can solve directly the problems relating to cost sheet. This cost sheet is a combination of different components of cost. So first try to understand the different types of cost, where it is going to be recorded and under which item it is going to be come. If you are perfect with all this, then it is very easy for us to solve the cost sheet problem. Hence, I request all the students, please go through the pro forma cost sheet before solving the problems on cost sheet. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.